Hey guys, Dotson Guys here for MarineMax Charleston. Just want to show you guys our new 2018 177 Sport. We got this one in the optional Aristo blue hull color. We've got the Sport, so we've added the windshield and then the grab rail. We've also upgraded this particular one to the 90 horsepower with hydraulic steering, and we also have trim tabs on this particular model. This boat's got a lot of cool standard features. As I climb in the boat, got a built-in cooler in the back with rod lockers, live well built in, a huge casting platform up top. We got the optional rod holders in the bow as well. As you can see, it's a well-equipped fishing boat. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at 814-843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson at MarineMax Charleston.